People ask me how I got my skin this clear from what it used to be. I tell them onions, especially the red ones like this.
Welcome to Rachel Etta TV. My name is Rachel. Over here we glow and grow.
I am a big believer in eating and drinking your skincare. Onions as retinol sounds crazy until we hear the science. Rich in quercetin, vitamin A, and sulfur. The body converts beta-carotene, a carotenoid found in onions, into retinol, the active form of vitamin A, which plays a huge role in cell turnover. Onions is also rich in antioxidants like quercetin and other flavonoids, which help combat free radicals and protect the skin from damage, slow down skin aging, and improve elasticity. Let's talk about sulfur, which is a key building block for proteins in the skin like collagen and keratin, which are essential for maintaining skin structure and elasticity, also helping to maintain the integrity of connective tissues like skin tendons and ligaments. It plays a role in the production and recycling of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, contributing to a healthier, more resilient skin. Quercetin, vitamin A, and sulfur plays a major role in boosting collagen, fighting free radicals, wrinkles, fade dark spots, brighten, firm, and renew your skin naturally. But the onions has to be eaten raw, and I know there are a lot of people that will never dare to eat an onions no matter what it does for them. I can eat an onions as an apple, but I have a trick that makes it tasty. I will show you.
At this point, just peel off the dead skin, wash it thoroughly, cut it however you like. I prefer the round shape. Now drizzle a little bit of honey or olive oil, but in this very video, I'm using honey. Look how beautiful it looks. Enjoy!
This is amazing, to be honest. It tastes really nice. Hot. And let's move cherry. Oh, wait, let's finish it. This amazing, honestly, apart from the sulfur that comes out from it trying to make me cry and all that, the taste is awesome.
Now those onions will not allow me to maintain stays.
Oh my god, the taste is one of the best tastes ever. It's also a crying part that me personally I avoid, because with the red onions the sulfur is sulfuring. Ah. I thought it's finished. I want more. Ah, I want to drink. Ah, what is this? Taste amazing, honestly.
Another day and I'm eating onions. I just had to put this clip here to show you that it is a continuous process. I eat onions every day since I discovered it, at least 5 times a week, and that 5 times a week will have to happen when maybe I am busy, I went somewhere and I didn't find onions. So if I come to your house and your onions is missing, honestly, it's probably me that took it. Yes, so you have to eat it every day if you can, but if you cannot, at least 4 to 5 times a week, you are doing your skin and your general well-being good. Honestly, eat an onions today.
Eat and drink your skincare. Yes, please.
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.